Hi. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a form header. We'll begin with a real estate contact form and design in Canva, a header suitable for a real estate agency. Let's begin by creating a custom design with dimensions of 1500 pixels in width and 700 pixels in height. We rename our file Form Header and search for a real estate banner template. Once we find a design we like, we customize it to our preferences and then download the file. Next, we return to our form and add an embed image field just above the headline. We upload our image, zoom out slightly, and once satisfied with the changes, click Save. Then, we justify the content to eliminate the margins around the image. Finally, we delete the form title, and it's already looking better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.